Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Keychron K4 Wireless Bluetooth, USB wired gaming mechanical keyboard, a compact 100-key marvel designed for peak productivity and an exceptional tactile typing experience. This 96% layout keyboard offers the flexibility of connecting up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or a single device using the USB Type-C wired option, allowing seamless switching between your smartphone, laptop, and iPad. Equipped with a reliable Broadcom Bluetooth chipset, it's perfect for home, office, and light gaming, and it boasts a unique Mac layout with all necessary function keys while remaining fully compatible with Windows, including extra keycaps for both operating systems. The K4 is powered by a robust 4000 mAh battery, delivering up to 72 hours of typing or up to 7 days of normal use, and features N-key rollover in wired mode or 6-key rollover in wireless mode. Its enchanting RGB backlight offers over 15 types of flashing light modes, making it ideal for dim environments, while the durable Gateron Brown switches provide an unrivaled tactile responsiveness with a 50 million keystroke lifespan. Whether you're a professional typist or a casual gamer, the Keychron K4 is engineered to enhance your typing experience with its sleek aluminum frame and modern keycap legends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.